Amazon suppressed your listing? Don't panic, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you how to contact the right team to get this resolved at Amazon. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. So first I'm going to show you how to verify if your listing is suppressed. So you're going to go into Amazon, you're going to go to inventory, manage inventory, and there's two ways. Way number one is to go into here into listing status and click search suppressed, and then you're going to see that it's search suppressed. The way number two to see if it's search suppressed is actually copying an ASIN, so any ASIN in your inventory, copying it, and then you're going to pretty much go to Amazon.com as a buyer, type in that ASIN, and if the ASIN has no results, it doesn't show up in search when you type in the ASIN, then you know it's search suppressed. So those are two ways to figure out if it's search suppressed in the first place. Now, what usually causes search suppression? Number one is the main image. So the main image might not comply with Amazon's policies, or Amazon is just using an AI tool and they're being hard on you. Number two is going to be the title. Sometimes there's keywords in the title, Amazon doesn't like it and they search suppress your listing. Three is description, and four is price. These are the most common. There are other reasons why you could get search suppressed, but these are usually the main ones, usually being the main image or the price. Now I'm going to show you three ways to get search suppression fixed. Way number one is pretty much if it says search suppressed, you just click fix listing suppression, and then Amazon is going to tell you how to fix it. So for this one, the inventory quantity is set to 0 and it's the main image. So the main image is the issue and the inventory is set to 0. So fix those, and then within 24 hours it should fix. That's way number one. We probably already know that. Let's go to way number two. So way number two is to contact the catalog team at Amazon. The catalog team is specialized to resolve this. When you first contact Amazon, you're going to get somebody who usually sucks. They're not good at they don't understand Amazon, so you need to escalate it to the catalog team. The catalog team does have a phone, so you can be transferred to them and they can fix it on the spot. Now, the catalog team, these Amazon employees are working a lot of hours, so they're very lazy sometimes. You want to make it as idiot-proof for them as possible. So if this is the listing that is fixed, search suppressed, what I want you to do is I want you to use a tool to take a screenshot and show that it's search suppressed, okay? So you're gonna make it super easy. They're gonna be like, what's the SKU? It's in the picture, bro. It's in the picture. That's what we're gonna tell them. It's in the picture. And look, here's proof, bro, it's search suppressed. Now they're probably gonna be like, oh, it's the inventory, but you want to save this image, okay? So you're gonna save this image, and then that's going to be image number one. Image number two is if it says fix listing suppression, you're also going to show them that this image, that look, and you can tell them, hey, you updated the image, it didn't work, and you can tell them that you updated the quantity, it didn't work, right? So you're going to save that. Number three picture, and again, you want to do half their job for them to make it easy. You're going to show that it's not showing in results. So you're not being indexed on Amazon, and you're literally going to put so now we have 3 photos. If you can add more, that's even better. I believe you can send 5 in one case, and then we're going to contact Amazon. So what you're going to do first is you're going to go to help and then get resources, help and get resources. Now we're going to call Amazon, but before you call them, you want to make it as easy as possible. So listing issue, connect to a specialist. This is a new thing that might not be there for you. But again, you can just click on this and you can say, hi, ASIN, and then put your ASIN is suppressed. Please help me fix it. You're just going to do that. And then you're going to open up. You're going to say, are you having issues with an ASIN? Yes. And you're going to put that ASIN in there. Continue. And we're just waiting. Okay, and then you create the case. And they're going to be like, oh, we figured out, yeah, there is. Okay, so you make the first case really basic. You just want to open it. All right, and then you're going to reply to the same case. Now you're going to go in depth. Okay, you're going to say, hi, ASIN, SKU, put the SKU in there. My listing is search suppressed. And now, before I do that, I'm going to say, please transfer this to the catalog team. This is a catalog issue. My listing is search suppressed. Please see all images attached. Please help me fix the search suppression on the call. And then you're going to attach all of them, and then you're going to click send. Once you do that, so attach all the images, right? I didn't save the images, but you're supposed to attach them all. Then you reply again, and then you get on the phone with them, right? And then you say, please read case. This is the easiest way to do it. Now you put in your phone number, you call them, and you say, they're gonna be like, what's your problem? Say, as you can see, this is a catalog issue. Please transfer me to the catalog team. And please review all the photos and the case. They're going to review it, and they're finally going to transfer you to the catalog team. The catalog team is going to be like, what seems to be the issue? And then you'll be like, this is a catalog issue. Can you please see all of the photos I attached to the case, and everything's in the case log. They're going to review the case log, figure out exactly what's wrong with it, and tell you exactly how to resolve it. This is how you properly get in front of Amazon and get Amazon to resolve it as quickly as possible. Now, that's how you can resolve it pretty much within 24 hours, 99% of the time. But if what they might, way number 3 is pretty much you may need to do an inventory file update. So everything, you're gonna do everything exactly the same, but you may need to do an inventory file update. So you go to catalog, and then you go to add products via upload. And then you may need to do an inventory file update. And the catalog team is going to tell you how to do that if you don't know how to do it. And you're pretty much going to download a file, you upload it with the image, the first image showing, and then the catalog team can push it through. So that's way number 3, is to do an inventory file update and then do exactly what I showed you, and then contact them. The only other thing you're going to add is you're going to add a batch ID if you have a batch ID, if you did do an inventory file update. That may make it quicker for the results to come through and to get your listing back and ranking. And that's pretty much it. And thank you for staying towards the end of the video. For staying towards the end, here is how you escalate it. So when you first contact Amazon, you're going with that low-level specialist. They pretty much don't know anything at Amazon most of the time. And you're gonna want to escalate it. So you wanna contact them and say, hey, this is a catalog issue. Please transfer it to the catalog team. Just try to get them to, sometimes they don't wanna transfer it. Sometimes they do, right? The catalog team does have a phone. So they will transfer you to the catalog team. Now, the catalog team will be able to resolve, I would say 90% of your issues. If it's still not resolved, then you can also escalate it, ask them to escalate it to the captive team, which is usually based in the US. And there's also a leadership team that has even more power. Now, the brand registry team is another team that you can contact on the brand registry portal, and they have more power than all of these teams combined. So if you get to the right brand registry person, then you can also get this resolved. But usually the catalog team is going to be the one. And you're not going to contact any executives unless your account's suspended, and pretty much usually not for a listing issue. And that's it for today's video. Drop a like below if you learned something new. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's gonna help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with listing reinstatement, suppressed listings, or anything Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. Links right in the description to schedule a call or contact us. And our #1 service is where we'll come in. We'll do full A to Z account management. We'll look at your listings, help you optimize them, help reinstate your listings, do customer service advertising, and most importantly, increase your sales on Amazon. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.